Arjun, you won't believe this. You don't have to go all the way to Delhi for UPSC prep anymore. It's no more about packing up and moving to Delhi to become an IAS. You can stay home and save big bucks.
Seriously, Bharti? I find that hard to believe. How's that even possible?
Ever heard of Rao's online classes? You can learn from the best teachers right from your couch.
Yeah, I've heard of that, but I can't wrap my head around studying online. It's like watching a movie. How can you talk to your teacher, clear doubts, or take tests? Online classes sound sketchy.
I thought the same, but Rao's IAS online is different. I was watching Shubhankar Pathak's toppers talk the other day. He cracked UPSC in his first attempt and got AIR 11. He was part of Rao's IAS first live online foundation batch.
Wow, Bharti, so how does it work?
Well, Rao's live online classes mimic the real classroom feel. You can interact with teachers and classmates in real time, just like you are in an actual classroom. The best part, you can study with top-notch teachers and get your doubts cleared from the comfort of your home.
So, you got the whole deal without leaving home?
Absolutely! You can choose to attend classes live or watch them later as recordings. If you miss a doubt during class, you can post it online and a mentor will sort you out. You can study at your own pace and time. And it's not just about convenience. It's budget-friendly too. No more spending on travel, housing, or other physical class expenses. You get a top-notch education without breaking the bank.
That's awesome!
Yes, it's incredible. You should definitely check out their live online classes. UPSC Prep is accessible to everyone now.